Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to answer a question about how to clean the chaff collector on our new electric sample roaster. So come on back. So here we are, you guys. This is the new electric sample roaster. The pretty neat features that I like about this is very customizable. You can roast manually, you can save it, and then you can transfer or switch it to a P3 series if you have to. So enough about that though. I'm going to show you how to remove the chaff bucket. It's better to cool the machine down before you do this, because then it's going to be a little tricky, but it can't be done. So don't lose your cool. Just let me give you some pointers that you can follow. How to remove, and to remove it, the clamp's a little tight in there, so you can remove the clamp and then pull the chaff collector out, empty it. Now when you're putting it back on, the trick I found out is to put this clamp, because it can get a little difficult, to the side like this, because then you can hold it, slide the bucket in like so while you're holding the back, sliding the bucket, bringing the clamp around. Once you got the clamp in the back, hold it in place, slide this clamp over here. Now that you locked it, you can turn it with your two hands to the side, line up the chaff bucket, and lock it.
So again guys, thank you for watching, and if you like these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep posting videos. Until next time.